Okay, let's continue with number 14. A flight duration is 5 hours, 50 minutes. If it departs at 12:25 p.m., what time does it arrive? A. 5:05 a.m. B. 5:10 a.m. C. 5:15 a.m. D. 5:20 a.m. Number 15. A project deadline is 72 hours from now. If today is Tuesday at 9 a.m., what day and time is the deadline? A. Friday 9 a.m. B. Friday 10 a.m. C. Saturday 9 a.m. D. Saturday 10 a.m. And the answer key for our quarter 2 MG7 Mastering Time Conversions, applying time across travel, projects, and daily life. Number 1, B. Number 2, B. Number 3, B. Number 4, C. Number 5, C. Number 6, B. Number 7, B. Number 8, B. Number 9, B. Number 10, C. 4 hours, 30 minutes. Number 11, B. 7:05 p.m. Number 12, C. 1 hours, 50 minutes. 13, C. 135 minutes. 14, C. 5:15 a.m. B. A 15 A. Friday, 9 a.m. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.